Prestone tan song mentaka sengi habekan kila patai khobor halo ka jing ujor jaga seng VVP na di ka jing dawa jaga VVP man thong biang ye kala ngot ki officer jaga na Lokayukta ya ka ba soka kala wen hari ki panai ke bradap uba Prestone ula ong ba kenong ilam jaga VVP kidi ban Pule bha Shuwa ye ka Lokayukta ak badai kata ka sa ai ka jing Kynthoh ulang ba kesukan kam to kham datip bai ka an kalong ka bam dei satya Su ulang mana kelang ka soka kala berkat bunsin coban le yakini untuk kam badai kata kasasiam dan di kasarai ban le
Be clarified. I think even from the party side we already clarified. I think let them read out the act of the Lokayukta, read out properly, then only you come up with your complaint. Without reading the act, I think it's not fair. And the rules also, which already indicated over there that the officials of Lokayukta should be a working officer.
So the VP has also asked to.
They see, you can't say anything. Okay, you can't say always anything. But I'm telling you, government side, before doing anything, we have thought it properly 100 times. Be it the political appointment, be it, terminating the contractual staff in any offices, we have done it with due diligence. So therefore, they can say whatever they say, but we also have our own, our own procedures, our own rules. We have to follow that accordingly.